Congratulations on the purchase of your Olympic safety ladder. You are now one step closer to fully enjoying your pool. Before diving into the installation steps, here are some important safety notes. To avoid damaging the ladder and to minimize the risk of injury, carefully follow these instructions. Install the ladder on a solid base. To enter or exit the pool, always face the ladder. This ladder should only be used for entering and exiting the pool. Any other use may damage the ladder and the pool structure. Do not jump. Do not dive. Do not swim through, behind, or around the ladder to prevent entrapment and drowning. The gate must remain locked at all times. This ladder is designed and manufactured for above-ground pools with heights of 48, 52, or 54 inches. The ladder must be removed from the pool and stored in a dry place for winter. Attach the feet to the base of the ladder using the 4 stainless steel washers and 4 screws provided. Do not over-tighten the screws. The feet must be able to pivot. Insert the 4 covers under the feet. Identify the side that goes in the pool and the side that will be outside. The exterior side has a latch box. The pool side is marked with an A. Adjust the base that will be inside the pool to the highest setting and insert only a temporary bolt. Since pool and ground heights vary, you will adjust this height later in the installation process. Insert the ladder frames into the handrails, ensuring proper alignment. Make sure the A markings on both handrail sections are on the same side, which is the pool side. Ensure that the locking tabs on both sides of the ladder frame snap securely into the handrails. Insert the platform between the 2 handrails, ensuring that the A marking on the board matches the side of the A markings on the handrails. Secure it firmly with the 4 screws and 4 washers provided. Temporarily place the ladder in the pool. The ladder must be installed on a solid, level base. 2 people are required for installation. The side marked with an A goes into the pool. Level the platform by adjusting the height of the base outside the pool. Measure the gap between the bottom of the platform and the top of the pool ledge. This will determine the proper leg adjustment, ensuring stability and durability. Adjust the legs to the correct height and secure them with the bolts, washers, and nuts provided. Confirm the height adjustment. Install the protective panels from bottom to top. Depending on the pool height, adjust the largest protective panel. Use the edge of a table to fold and section the 2 largest panels according to the determined height. Insert the panels at the bottom of the ladder. Then, take the largest step and insert it into the ladder frame. Ensure that the panels are also properly inserted into the step and that the locking tabs on the step snap securely in place. Repeat this process for the next 2 steps and panels. Ensure they are properly inserted and locked to guarantee the structure's solidity. Two people are required to install the ladder in the pool. Ensure the gap between the pool wall and the ladder is 2 inches, and that each panel and step is properly secured. The pool ledge must fit between the top platform arms. The top platform must rest on the upper pool rail for maximum stability. Improper installation may cause the ladder to bend or crack under weight. The top platform must be level. The ladder feet must rest flat on the ground inside and outside the pool. Pass the straps through the top platform slots. Thread the strap under the pool ledge and back towards the buckle. tighten securely. Repeat on the other side. The gate is installed on the ladder outside of the pool. Attach the gate to the ladder frame using 2 spacers, 2 washers, 2 nuts, and 2 long screws for the top hinge, and 2 washers, 2 nuts, and 2 short screws for the bottom hinge. Attach the lock to the ladder frame using 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Ensure the gate pin is centered in the latch. Bottom latch. Loosen the adjustment screw until the hook locks properly. To open the gate, release the top latch and pull until the bottom latch releases. Adjust the bottom latch if opening is too difficult. The protective panel is installed on the exterior ladder section. The longer part is positioned at the top. Secure the protective panel to the ladder using 4 screws. Inspect both safety latches after each use. You are now ready to enter and exit your pool safely. Enjoy your swim!